And we've got up to rain battering on the rooftop. Little dog's gone out. But she'll soon be back. There she is. Okay. And the birds keep singing. And the world keeps turning. But today the sun's just not shining. Come on, the recording. I was watching the birds.
I do. I'm always expecting to be recorded.
Well, because you're so famous.
Yeah, because I am.
What, with that beautiful voice?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So we're out and about on a little evening walk at Burton Road Park. Ooh, it's slippy underfoot. I'm sure if it's trying to rain or not, but right now we're sheltered, so no biggie if it does. Coco, which way are you going? This is a muddy puddle. Come on, nicely.